We got shoes everywhere. We got cats on the stairs. Oscar. What's up, little man? What's up? They be knocking the shoes down. Willow. Hey, Miss Willow. Miss Willow. Sleepy girl. Alright, let's hop into this video real quick. It is a lovely day out here in Texas. Whew, this thing feel like it's weighing my head down, man. Look at that sun. Oh my God. Head somewhere real quick. Excuse the mess. Excuse the mess. Wanted to make a quick vlog. I hope it'll be quick. Hope I don't get distracted. Gotta soft close this door. No? Try one more time. Hey, what's going on, people? Ooh, Ken Jackson here. No review today. No review. Just me driving somewhere real quick. This headband is tight. I'm trying to tell you, boy, this mug is tight. What was I finna talk about? First of all, hope you guys doing all right. I love my baby Ilaria. Say hello, girl. Anyway, I guess I want to kind of do an update on this channel and do a vlog, I guess. Kind of like a vlog. I don't know what to call it. I guess it is a vlog, but I want to give an update and throw some ideas out there of how to improve my videos and what else to record. Because eventually I'm going to start going to dealerships and asking them, hey, it's free advertising for your dealership. Here's my card. Would you like for me to take a few cars or take a car off your lot once a week and hold on to it for like an hour and let me research it either the day before or the day of. Let me research it, get some stats in my head, go to a quiet location and review it, test drive it, bring it back, put your store number, put your dealership number, your location and all that, and your services, whatever you offer, and send people your way. Send people your way from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. And get some traffic going into that dealership, especially now during income tax time. And people need a car. People need cars. People want cars. People tired of taking a bus. And it's very understandable, especially for women that work retail and they end up having to close the store and they're leaving at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night, and they have to ride a bus. They're not there at the bus stop by themselves. You don't know what the hell is going to happen. You want some safe, reliable transportation on your way home. I just want to get some traffic to these dealerships and try and help the dealership out and help people out. And I mean, I'm not getting anything out of it, just my enjoyment of driving cars and touching them and smelling them, whatever it is. It's all free. I mean, I'll even offer like, hey, take a copy of my driver's license. If you don't trust me, you think I'm gonna steal your car, which I'm not, because I was raised better than that. Or send somebody with me. They can help me record. Send me one of your people. They're gonna be gone for an hour. They can still be on the clock. Just help them or help me record, or they can just sit there and watch me record and follow me. I don't care, because I'm not going to do anything bad. I'm just trying to be helpful. I'm trying to get to where I want to be in life, and I can't give up on that. That's not the fourth dimension way. Speed and aggression, gentlemen. Pretty much. I do have a few more cars to record, point of view videos. Look at this, look at this. Ooh. Point of view videos and just regular reviews. I do have some more cameras and stuff to record as well. But you know, I want an endless supply of things to do to keep my mind busy or to keep myself busy. I take a break sometimes here and there, but I know I gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. And this car is doing pretty well. I will be uploading CarMax, my experience, I guess, because I think that's a good thing to do as well. If you went to a certain dealership like CarMax, you know, a big dealership like that, people other people have that in mind, like I should go to CarMax. Let me go search up, let me Google search or YouTube search other people's experiences and what they had. If I will be getting a good deal at CarMax or the process. Just like I said, this is 2014. Bought the car when it had 45,000 miles on it. Some of those miles may not even be driven. Some of those may be idling. Just the car just sitting there. And the engine just running, timing belt running, all that crap. And the car think, oh, it's moving. Let me add a mile to it. Girl, you're just sitting there. There was something else I was going to talk about. I can't really remember. But that's pretty much it. I still really love this car and enjoy this car. I do wish, see how this is red? I didn't do this. This red and red. I wish you had the option to change that to blue. So I put these red strips going along the radio, the AC unit, not the AC unit, the AC vents. I don't know where else I want to put them. I just wish they were blue, because my favorite color is blue. The fourth dimension flag colors, not the flag colors, the fourth dimension colors is white, blue, and black. Or silver, blue, and black. And if I had a Ford, because you know Fords, they have the blue gauges and blah, blah, blah. If I had that, I'd be able to be blue, black, white, blue and black steering wheel. I still want the blue and black steering wheel cover, but I could never get it because my last car had like some beige interior, leather, and this just got black. I don't have a problem with the interior colors. It's just, I want to do blue for once. I've been doing black and red or white and red. They're not even the colors that I like. But I love this car. We're riding on F instead of E for once. 93 octane, 20 gallon tank, still run good. Still, engine just barely breaking in. At this mileage, this engine is just barely breaking in. She still got a little bit of ways to go. We on the speedway now. This is where everybody be racing at. See how fast they can drive. But I cannot put my finger on what the heck I was gonna talk about. Look at this truck. Last time a truck was that close to me, I got pulled over. Let me get out of his way. I do want to make more videos. I want to be more clear. I want to make more quality. I want to upload better pictures, and there's a lot of stuff I want to do with these videos. I don't have anyone to help me. I don't have anyone to help me edit or help me remember things, or somebody to hold the camera while I'm doing this. I'm doing all this stuff by myself, and that's fine. I don't know, I guess I could spend a little bit more time thinking about stuff and recording stuff and whatnot. I just wanted to test this whole vlogging thing out. So that'd be like 4 playlists for me. That'd be reviews, car reviews, tech reviews, POV videos, and vlogs, I guess. But I'm not finna take this camera into the store and have this camera all over people's face, because that's kind of rude. I've seen some other YouTubers with that. Pull my phone out, let me take my camera out and record your face or record what you're doing. It makes you feel awkward. I mean, unless you guys are all buddy and cool, I don't want to do that, man. Invading your privacy or invading your personal space. Then you're not going to want me around no more. I don't want to do all that. I understand the YouTubers with the glasses or the shades with the camera on it and you record that way. That's better. People will be more socially confident around you. I do not feel like sitting at this light. I think that was all I was gonna cover. This car has been running great. I do love this car. I still appreciate it. Say thank you every day. Thank you, Ilaria. Like I said, I want to upload a video about CarMax, my experience. I hope that it brings some insight to other people. It wasn't a bad experience, really. There was a few complaints, but that's all I'm gonna say for right now. I'm about to end this video. And I'm just sitting here and I can't remember what the hell I was gonna tell you guys. Anyway, let me finish making this turn. Cause my head, this headband, I need to loosen this actually, because this mug is tight. I'm about to have a big old print on my forehead walking around. One more push. Hey, look, there's another Maxima. You know the funny thing is, once you get a car, where's he going? What? Oh, I thought he was driving into the ditch. Once you get a car, you start noticing everybody else got the same car. It's crazy. It is so crazy. I mean, over here we see a shit ton of Challengers and Chargers. They're not even Hellcats. Some of them Hellcats, some of them not. But it's like, you can't go 5 minutes without seeing one of those cars. And I can't tell if that's good or not. I don't know if there's like people hopping on the bandwagon or what. But they think they so fast, but they really not. You just went and bought that car. And it's not that hard to get a hold of that car. It's good for Dodge, it's good for FCA, but at the same time, I'm just like, can we not follow each other? Can we not hop on the bandwagon? Can we do something? I mean, if that's you, if that's stuff you like to do, to follow everybody or get something that everybody else likes, then you go ahead. But I don't like doing that shit. Just once you get a car like this, I didn't see a lot of these Maximas around until I got one myself. Then they started popping up everywhere. Now I can differentiate mine from theirs. I can see like, oh, he has a panoramic moonroof, sunroof, and I don't. That's a fully loaded Maxima right there. That's how I be. I wish that was me. That boy probably fully loaded. Some of them do be fully loaded, some of them not. Some of them just have that added feature, that added panoramic shit. Let me stop talking. I said I was going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Those are some of my thoughts on what I want to do, what else I want to do with this channel, how I want to handle things. If anybody can give me some light or some idea, help me out with this. I really appreciate it. I'd like to thank you guys for always watching. Thank you guys for the support, even if you're not liking the video. Even if you just click on it, it's still some type of support. Thank you guys so much, man. I appreciate that.